So we're back on, we got bonus material. All right, we're gonna change out these exterior floodlights with this tool I got from Home Depot. It's a telescopic tool. It reaches up to I think 11 feet. But I won't need it for this side, but on the other end of the house where the lights are way up there, that's what we'll be using. Slide it on there. Let the little spring loaded thing just grip it in there, and you kind of push down on it and get it out. All right, so the same process to put it back in. Just slide it in there, get it lined up, and twist it in. Just like that. It's a really handy tool for changing these bulbs out. It kind of beats getting on the ladder. Next bulb, please. Goes in pretty easy, just like that. Get it fully seated. Go back in and get it in there. Once you get it tight, just kind of give it the, tighten it one more turn and let it slide out. So move over to the next corner. Same thing, same process. And you get these out. And we're replacing these with LED bulbs. These were the halogen bulbs. They're only good for a year. We found some LEDs on sale on clearance at Home Depot. These will last up to 10 years. So I may have wasted buying our little stick to change them with. Won't need it again for 10 years, but we've got some other lights in the house, and recessed lights and canister lights that we may have to use it for. Alright, moving on to the other side. And so back here is the main reason we bought this thing, because these back two are pretty high up there, and you can tell it's some old bulbs up there. I don't think they've ever been changed, and hopefully the attachment I got will work on it. Even though the package came with some extra, yeah, that works. It came with some different attachments if it didn't work. So we had like some kind of suction cup for some of those bulbs, and had several different attachments. Yeah, actually that ain't gonna work. It goes on it too easy, but it doesn't have enough friction to grip it. Just screws in there, kind of like a broom handle. I'll take that one out, and I got the smaller one. Hopefully this will work. This name of it is just a bulb changer, Home Depot. It's a big telescopic stick, and it's called bulb changer. It's got about 5 or 6 different attachments to change these bulbs. Okay, let's give it a try. Alright, so we're gonna try this suction cup attachment. See if that does any better. All right, got that one out. Well, now that one's on.